The first level in the same-year framework is substitution, or the idea that understanding is understanding no matter where it is or how you gain access to it. In this level, the technology is a direct substitute for the traditional textbook, paper, and pencil lesson. Let's take a history lesson on the Age of Enlightenment, for example. Maybe I traditionally have my students read from their textbooks about the Age of Enlightenment as an introductory activity. But with my smartboard, I am able to show a video to the class and mark up the video using Smart Ink, all while they are watching it.
Today's topic, the Enlightenment. What is it? Let's find out. To see if there was a way they could discover the natural laws that not only governed the universe, which had been done very successfully by guys like Newton, but which governed human society. In other words, if you take away the old accepted authorities, new lens questioning even the basic presumptions of an idea, then maybe you can come to a better understanding of it. So applying this to human society...
In this case, the new technology replaces the old technology, but it does not change the task significantly. Students are still introduced to the Age of Enlightenment and get a big picture view of this time period, and I am able to use Smart Ink to help emphasize concepts using a video instead of static words that they read on a page.